Hi, my name is Timothy Shaw. I'm a captain of the Clark County Fire Department, and today we're going to be doing a brief how-to video on tying a few knots for a Fire Instructor 2 class. What we're going to start out with is tying a figure 8 on a bite. Biggest consideration is determining the size of the bite that you're going to need for the operation you're going to be using it for. Once you determine the size of the bite that you need, you'll go ahead and make that, keep that in your hand. I'm going to go ahead and wrap that around, creating that figure 8 design in my rope. And as I'm pulling this around, I'm going to go ahead and start to dress it, which is just making sure that it looks nice and clean, everything's tight. It's also going to make sure that the knot itself stays secured once in place. So I'll dress my knot. Once I have my figure 8 dressed in the way I need it and the size of the bite, I'm also going to throw an overhand safety knot in here. Once again, this is just to verify that my knot's not going to come undone. Okay, so once I have my safety knot, I'll make sure that it's cinched nice and tight. And now I have my figure 8 on a bite with my safety knot. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and untie this, and we're going to do a clove hitch in the open. This is going to be a very important knot depending on what we're going to be using it for. But what we're going to need is a nice open piece of rope. I'm going to take my right hand, I'm going to do my palm up. Left hand is palm down, and I'm going to rotate my hands, cross my right behind my left, creating that opening. This opening is what I'm going to slide over the object, and then I will be able to cinch this down. And in essence, as this pulls in different directions, it's going to keep tension in both ways and securing it in place wherever I need it to be. Those are going to be the 2 knots that we're going to discuss today. And once again, if I need to on this one, I can also throw a safety knot depending on the operation I'm going to be using it for.